So the second step is to install Kali. Well, since we'll use the OVA file, it'd be better to say import for this step. And the download's finished. So let's look at the file location. It's under the download folder. Now I'll open the VMware Fusion interface. From the Add button at the upper left corner, choose Import. Click the Choose File button and choose the OVA file you just downloaded and click OK. As you see, VMware Fusion read the file and detected the VM as Kali Linux 2018.1. We can click Continue for the next step. Now it's asking for the location of the VM. And this folder works for me. Now I think it's better to collect all the VMs in a folder so you can manage them easier. It will create a single file with this name. Now click Save. And it starts to import. That may take a couple of minutes. So I want to look at the size of the empty space on my host. I'm in doubt whether I have enough space. df command simply displays the free disk space, and -h parameter makes the result human readable. I have 34 gigabytes of free space, and that will be enough for this installation. Installation's finished, and this is the summary of the VM. RAM is 2 gigabytes by default, and if you have enough RAM on your host system, I suggest you increase it. Networking is NAT at just as I want. Okay, click Finish to finish the installation of Kali VM. Now it's asking if you want to upgrade the VM. I say, okay, why not? So, our new Kali is booting for the first time. And we're here at the login screen. Let me make the VM full screen. Okay. This is a previously prepared VM, so it comes with a tour password for the root user. So enter root for the username and tour as the password. And welcome to the Kali 2018.1. So let's open a terminal screen and check the network connection. If config, to see the obtained IP, ETH0 interface didn't obtain an IP. So that means we have a problem. No worries, that's what we're going to fix. Problems do occur, and that's what we do. We solve them.